Kernersville, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are in need of expert pressure washing in Kernersville, North Carolina, this video walks you through everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. Our team has years of experience helping homeowners in Kernersville, North Carolina tackle tough dirt and grime on their driveways and sidewalks, making them safe and clean for families to play in. From restoring old decks to cleaning up caked-on grease around restaurants in Kernersville, North Carolina, we've seen it all, and we know the right techniques to get the job done efficiently and effectively. We also offer specialized services like graffiti removal, garage floor cleaning, and pressure washing of outdoor furniture, helping homeowners in Kernersville, North Carolina maintain their property's curb appeal. At Kernersville, NC Pressure Washing, we use high-powered equipment that's specifically designed for heavy-duty cleaning jobs, ensuring your property looks its best in no time. Our crew is trained to handle all types of surfaces, from concrete sidewalks to driveways made of asphalt or brick pavers, so you can trust the job will be done right. For tough grease and grime, we use a specialized cleaning solution that's safe for most surfaces and won't leave any harsh chemical smells lingering behind. This is especially important in residential areas like Kernersville, North Carolina. We take pride in being environmentally responsible and use eco-friendly cleaning agents whenever possible, reducing our impact on the environment and keeping your community clean and healthy. The team at Kernersville NC Pressure Washing is dedicated to providing you with exceptional service every time, so you can enjoy your clean and safe outdoor space. We understand that time is valuable in Kernersville, North Carolina, which is why we strive to complete our pressure washing jobs efficiently, so you can get back to your busy schedule quickly. Our locally owned and operated business has been serving Kernersville NC residents for years, building trust and providing reliable service that meets their specific needs. We stay up to date on the latest cleaning techniques and technology to ensure our customers receive the best possible results for their hard work and investment. In Kernersville, North Carolina, hard work is a way of life, and our team isn't exempt from that. They put in the extra effort to ensure every job is completed to perfection. Our pressure washing services are designed to tackle even the toughest jobs, like cleaning driveways and sidewalks after a heavy winter snowfall in Kernersville, NC. As professionals, we take pride in serving Kernersville, NC's property owners with reliable and efficient cleaning solutions that keep homes and businesses looking their best. From driveways to decks, our team is skilled at removing dirt, grime, and mildew, revealing the beauty beneath. We know how these elements can affect daily life in Kernersville, NC, where outdoor spaces are used frequently. For property managers, homeowners, or anyone concerned about mold growth and water damage, we offer thorough cleaning solutions that address Kernersville, North Carolina's unique climate and building conditions. Regular pressure washing helps protect your home's exterior from damage caused by dirt and grime buildup, keeping it looking like new and extending its lifespan. If you are looking for pressure washing in Kernersville, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with a free estimate, flexible scheduling, and reliable services for your home or business today. Click the link below to learn more.